planning to travel from Ikebukuro to Narita Airport. In this video, we'll guide you step by step from Ikebukuro Station to Narita Airport using the JR Yamanote Line and the Keisei Skyliner. Let's get started. There are two major express train services connecting central Tokyo and Narita Airport. They are the JR Narita Express and the Keisei Skyliner. Neither train stops at Ikebukuro Station directly, so you'll need to transfer at least once. For travelers starting from Ikebukuro, one option is to go to Tokyo Station or Shinjuku Station and take the Narita Express. In this video, we'll take the JR Yamanote Line from Ikebukuro to Nippori and then transfer to the Keisei Skyliner to Narita Airport. The Skyliner is often more affordable than the Narita Express and can be one of the fastest ways to reach Narita Airport from Ikebukuro. Narita Airport has two train stations, one for Terminal 1 and one for Terminals 2 and 3. The Skyliner stops at both stations, so just make sure you get off at the one for your departure terminal. Let's take a look at the route step by step. Ikebukuro Station has multiple railway lines operated by different companies. For this trip, we'll use the JR lines. There are several JR ticket gates, and you can enter through any of them. If you need a ticket, ticketing areas are located near the ticket gates. In this video, we'll enter through the Central Gate 1 and use an IC card to travel to Nippori Station. To get to Nippori Station, go upstairs to Platform 7. We are now on Platform 7. In this video, we use the stairs, but escalators and elevators are also available. We are now on the JR Yamanote Line. The ride to Nippori Station takes about 13 minutes. We have now arrived at JR Nippori Station. You can transfer to Keisei Nippori Station through the transfer gates inside the station. The transfer gates are located upstairs. There are several stairs and escalators. However, not all of them lead to the Keisei transfer gates. Some signs may direct you to another stairway or escalator, so please follow the station signs carefully. In this video, we'll show you one way to reach the transfer gates. You can buy your Skyliner ticket online in advance, or here at the ticket machines or the ticket counter. To ride the Skyliner, you need two things: a Skyliner ticket and either a passenger ticket or a transportation IC card. The total fare from Nippori to Narita Airport is 2,580 yen with a passenger ticket. If you use a transportation IC card at the ticket gate, the total is 2,567 yen. In this video, we'll show you how to ride the Skyliner using an IC card and a Skyliner ticket. Now, let's take a look at how to buy a Skyliner ticket at a ticket machine. First, select your language. The screen will show the next available Skyliner. If you want to take a different train, you can choose select another liner by the departure time. In this video, we'll use the next available Skyliner. Select your destination based on your departure terminal, Narita Airport Terminal 1 or Narita Airport Terminal 2 or 3. We'll select Terminal 1 as an example. Next, choose the number of tickets. For one adult ticket, you can also choose your seat preference. In this video, we'll select one adult with a window seat. To ride the Skyliner, you need a Skyliner ticket plus either a passenger ticket or an IC card. Here, the machine asks if you already have one of these. Since we'll use an IC card, select Yes. Check the ticket details. Then choose your payment method. In this video, we'll use a credit card. Insert your credit card into the ticket machine. Enter your PIN when prompted. It may take a moment for the machine to process. Once it's finished, the machine will return your credit card and tickets. Let's take a look at the train number and departure time on the ticket. Also, check your car number and seat number before boarding. Now, let's head to the Skyliner platform. Insert your Skyliner ticket into the gate. Then tap your IC card. Don't forget to take your ticket with you. Follow the signs for the Skyliner to Platform 1. If your assigned car is car 1 through 5, go left. If it's car 6 through 8, go right. Now you're on the platform. Look for your car number. It's displayed on the platform screen doors. Once on board, find the seat number shown on your ticket. If you have large luggage, you can place it in the luggage space near the doors. The Skyliner takes about 40 minutes to reach Narita Airport. Sit back and enjoy the ride. We've now arrived at Narita Airport Terminal 1. We hope this video helps make your trip to Narita Airport a little easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel guides around Tokyo and Japan. Thank you for watching.